Good morning, children. I am Anmol Messi, PGT Physics, Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. Children, in our previous videos, we have started a new chapter which is alternating current, and in that, I have explained you various circuits related to alternating current. Also, we have discussed about reactance. Now, in today's video, we are going to study about LCR circuit, where L means self inductance, as you already know. C means capacitance and R means resistance. So LCR means we are going to use an inductor, a capacitor and a resistor, and we are going to connect them in a series combination. Okay, so like for example, you can see in this circuit diagram I have connected an inductor, capacitor and a resistor in series, and after that I have connected them to an AC source. Okay, now this AC source would supply alternating current, okay, to L, C and R. But in case of L, that is inductor, voltage leads current by phase 90. So I have made the arrow in this way. In case of capacitor, voltage lags behind current by phase 90. So I have made it in downward direction if, for example, current is flowing in this way. And voltage across a resistor, uh, this would be in phase, that is the current and voltage, they both are in same phase. Therefore, if current is moving like this, voltage is also in the same direction. So I have made the arrow accordingly in the direction of current only. Okay, now if I combine all three arrows, we'll get this diagram: VL, VC and VR. So if we simplify this diagram, we'll get ये VC जो है ये opposite direction में, so we'll get VL minus VC here, and this is VR. So what would be the resultant? So this would be the resultant. Okay, this is the resultant vector where I have written V is equal to under root VL minus VC whole square plus VR whole square. Okay, this is VR. Now equation, what would be the equation of EMF? So this, whatever this resultant is, this would be our net equation for EMF. Okay, and if we open this equation, that is in place of V, if we write IR, in place of VL if we write IXL, in place of VC we write IXC, and in place of VR we write IR. So then we would be able to expand this equation. Okay, but here if I am writing R, how can I write R here also? This is something wrong. Okay, so since this is VR, here I can write R, but this is just V. This is equivalent EMF. Here I am not supposed to write R. Here I need a new symbol for that. So for equivalent resistance, I am using a symbol which is Z. Now this Z would be considered as equivalent obstruction offer to the flow of current, and therefore we have given it a new name which is known as impedance. Okay, now our final equation would be, in place of R here we'll write Z, then it would become Iz is equal to under root IXL minus IXC whole square plus IR square. Okay, and what would be the impedance? The net obstruction to the flow of current in series LCR circuit is known as Z, that is impedance. What would be the SI unit? Since it is an obstruction offer to the flow of current, hence its SI unit would remain ohm. Okay, now अगर मैं इन सब में से I कॉमन निकाल लूँ, and if I take that I outside the root, okay, then this I would get cancelled out with this I. So I have cancelled both the I's. Okay, and finally we are left with the equation of impedance, which is under root XL minus XC whole square plus R square. Okay, if we want to find the equation of current, then we already know that V is equal to IR, but in place of R we are writing Z over here, impedance. So I would become V by Z. So in place of Z we can write the equation of impedance, which I have found out over here. Okay, and further if we want to open it, then in place of XL we can write L omega, and in place of XC we can write 1 upon C omega. If we want to find the equation of phase, then tan phi is equal to perpendicular upon base. So if this is phi, then in front of phi this is perpendicular, this value is VL minus VC. and base is what? Base is VR. So we can write VL minus VC upon VR, and if we put the values of VL, VC and VR, we'll get IXL minus IXC upon IR. फिर से I कॉमन निकल के it would get cancelled out. So our final formula for phase would become tan phi is equal to XL minus XC by R. We can find the equation for cos phi also. For cos phi it would be base upon hypotenuse, so which is VR by V accordingly. So VR we can write IR, for V I can write IZ. So I से I cancel हो जाएगा, cos phi would become R by Z, and in place of Z if we put the value of Z, then it is under root XL minus XC whole square plus R square.